11 mysterious and bizarre ocean phenomena you won't believe are real. 1. Brinacle. A brinacle is a finger-like formation that grows underneath sea ice. When salt-rich water leaks out of sea ice, it sinks into the sea and can occasionally create an eerie finger of ice called a brinacle. Instead of a solid mass of ice, seawater often forms a spongy crystalline structure with channels of concentrated brine within it. 2. Baltic Sea Anomaly. Since its discovery in 2012, the Baltic Sea anomaly continues to mystify scientists and has produced many conspiracy theories about UFOs. And there's a good reason why. The discovery at the bottom of the Baltic Sea looks a lot like the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars. 3. The Great Blue Hole. The Great Blue Hole is the name given to a giant underwater sinkhole located off the coast of Belize. It is thought to be the largest of its kind at over 980 feet across and plunging to a depth of over 400 feet. It appears as a giant dark blue circle looming in the ocean and is surrounded by reef. 4. Bioluminescence. Sailors call bioluminescence in the ocean the burning sea. If you get a glimpse at it, it's easy to see why. However, the glowing blue of the ocean is created by tiny plankton that releases the same bioluminescence as fireflies. 5. Steaming Black Sea. Under unique circumstances when the sea air is cold and the sun burns hot, the Black Sea, among others, produces the phenomenon known as sea fog or sea smoke. 6. Underwater crop circle. They are intricate designs in the ocean floor that look like a person drew shapes in the sand with a stick. What scientists uncovered was that these sand circles on the ocean floor were created by male pufferfish as a way to attract females. 7. Pyrosome. Pyrosomes are fascinating underwater creatures like no other. They clone themselves into thousands of individuals, creating one long strand that looks like a wind sock. Sometimes they can get up to 60 feet long. They're bioluminescent, fluffy, and move elegantly through the water as one. 8. Green flash. The ocean phenomenon of green flashes occurs during sunset and sunrise. Usually seen for merely a couple of seconds, such green flashes are the result of the natural prismatic effect of the atmosphere of the Earth. 9. Bimini Road. Submerged under 20 feet of crystal clear Bahamian water is what looks like an abandoned road. Geologists and archaeologists are in disagreement whether this is part of a lost city or just natural limestone erosion. 10. Cross waves. This rare pattern of square waves is a beautiful sight to behold, but the natural phenomenon, which can appear and reappear within minutes, is also extremely dangerous. More common in shallow waters, cross seas can often be seen off the western point of France's Isle of Ré. 11. Underwater volcano. Volcanoes don't only erupt on land, they also erupt beneath the surface of the oceans. These submarine volcanoes are underwater vents from which magma can erupt to the surface. In fact, 75% of the total magma output on the planet each year is caused by these eruptions.